Every idea begins as a simple thought. At IndoCart, we help turn that thought into something real. We work with additive manufacturing and digital scanning to bring ideas to life. Built on passion, we focus on supporting the industry shaping tomorrow. Designed for people who value precision, from early ideas to final production, our 3D printers perform reliably. Across many fields, professionals trust IndoCart. A great experience starts behind the scenes with a strong supply chain. Every material, part, and shipment is handled with care, and our support continues long after delivery. Innovation is part of our everyday work. Our R&D team keeps pushing forward, exploring what's next. We make advanced 3D printing accessible, dependable, and easy to use. We help students, creators, and anyone with an idea turn it into something real. Because creating isn't just about machines, it's about seeing your idea take shape. From learning, to making, to building the future, we support every step. Bring your imagination to life.